This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 RM Sotheby's auction over here in Amelia Island. Checking out this 53 Mercedes-Benz 300s Cabriolet A. These were virtually hand-built. See what we've got in there. Look at that gorgeous woodwork. Oh. Notice the way how the wood just merges together with the top of the door, the A-post, and the dash. The white wheel. That's a 4-speed on the column. If anyone knows how to turn the turn signals on in a Mercedes, post it. That's your challenge for this video. Look at those lines. Oh, magnificent. I always like the high running lights over there. Beautiful. Beautiful. This, of course, has the overhead cam, 6-cylinder. What a nice place to live. What a nice place to live. Not for the backseat people, but again, 1953 Mercedes-Benz Cabriolet A. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 RM Sotheby's auction at Amelia Island. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, your car show calendars. While you're there, post and share your events. If you like the video, click subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you at the shows.